Why am I here? Why are you here? What the heck are we doing? Here's the deal. I'm really happy that you're here. I'm blessed and truly grateful. Yes, I enjoy sharing my life with you, but it's not about me. It's about you. It's about all of us making the world a better place. Interesting story. Way back in high school, I was into filmmaking. I had a teacher, funny looking man, round like an apple with these little skinny tiny legs. He tried really hard to get me to go out to California and continue on in filmmaking industry. But hey, it was the 1970s and I wanted to do something important, something that would have a positive impact on the world. At the time, filmmaking seemed like a silly, unnecessary Hollywood thing. Guess I didn't think about biographical, historical, documentary type films. Anyway, I pursued another path in my life. So here we are today, making videos with the goal of inspiring you. By sharing a little moment in our life here on our homestead, Sherry and I truly hope we make the world a little better. That we inspire and motivate you to pursue whatever it is that makes you happy. Living in a big city like New York, okay. Live in the suburbs outside of a big city, a small city, a tiny town way out in the country. Heck, even living on a sailboat. We want you to be able to do what you want to do when and where you want to do it. Plus, making videos on YouTube will hopefully make my old high school teacher happy. And I do enjoy making the videos. Funny how the journey of life is often a circle and not a straight line. So, it's more than me sharing with you how we are living life. It's far more than me connecting with you and helping you improve the quality of your life. Today, it's about you and me sharing and influencing and connecting and making things better for everyone. It's about all of us changing lives, making the world a better place. How freaking cool is that? If you have a friend that's interested in living self-sufficient in the country, on a homestead, please share this video with them. Hey, even if they like living in New York City, go ahead and share it. And if you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to succeed. We want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and of course, living carefree. Live life doing it yourself.